Hello my friends, Cheeks here. We just ordered this TV wall mount. It's supposed to be between 32 and 80 inch. And look at this is how the box came in Amazon. And this is our old 50 plasma. And we're going to be setting up an LG 75 inch. Is this too good to be true? Supposed to hold up to 165 pounds. It was 30 bucks. We're going to test it out because you need a big mount. This is a heavy TV. Fuzzy could not lift it.
Let's put it on put it over there.
Oh. It even came with its own level. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
And look what else it comes with. An emergency clip.
We're gonna take this off. We got the two studs here, and hopefully we can reuse these holes. This metal bottom pin.
That's the protection in case your TV falls off.
That doesn't make sense. It's supposed to be able to tilt.
That's what you get for 35 bucks. Right? It's on the wall, right? That's all that matters.
That looks awesome.
Yeah, I know, eh?
Oh wow.
We got it up. It's still holding, so there you have it. The only thing we didn't get really perfect, but maybe there's an adjustment, was the tilt. And that has to be played with. But for now, there it is. 75-inch LG Web OS TV. We're up. So check it out. Put the links there for you guys. Joey's happy because he's already on the couch watching the shows. So everybody live life loud. Cheers and cheeks out.
Like a Hellcat.